Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to solve the problem of the message showing unknown part in your iPhone camera. So this message typically occurs when your iPhone is not of the original iOS, but you've added in another camera because your original one was damaged or you use another fake camera. So this problem occurs then. So for this quick fix, what you want to do is go to your settings, then you would want to go to general, then on software update. If you have any software updates, then please be sure to update it properly. As you can see, mine also has an update, so just update now. After you have updated, I want to go to background app refresh and make sure that all your camera settings is turned on over here. Camera settings and everything you want for your applications is turned on properly, and all of them is toggled on. After this, you can just simply restart your phone by clicking on the top volume button and your power button like this. You can slide power off, and after that it will restart itself. You can turn the power back on by clicking on the power button. So this is the 2 steps that you can follow, but if you have any more errors after this, then you can leave it on the drop box below and we'll be sure to solve your problems by then. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any more questions or comments, leave it on the drop box below. It's Millie signing off, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.